Hey guys, it's me Atharv and welcome back to our channel Gossipfunda. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix that message not sent issue in your Android smartphone. So let's get started. First of all, you have to check if your recharge is still valid. So I have a Jio SIM, so I am going to my Jio app. So here, here you see I still have 17 days left of my plan. So you have to check this if your plan is still valid. After this, you have to check if you got some network. So you see here on the top of the screen, here I am getting a network. You won't be able to send messages or SMS if you are not getting this network. So after this, try doing this thing. Check if your airplane mode of your phone is off. If it's off, turn it on, then wait for some time and then turn it off again. After checking all of these things, go to the settings of your phone. Then go to SIM cards, go to SIM and see if your SIM is enabled. After checking this, go to the apps, open the app list. Now in the app list, search for the default messaging app. Here. Now go to permissions and see if you have allowed all of the permissions which it requires. So location is not essential, that's why I have not allowed, but you have to give it access to all of the permissions it requires. After this, go to storage usage and clear all of the cache data, force stop the app and then close it. This should fix your issue. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our blog for latest technology update. Link will be in the description box below. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and share the video if this was helpful.